To log into your WordPress website, go to your website. Then in the URL, type WP admin and press enter. Quick tip, make sure to secure your WordPress website, as this login is also known by hackers. Very important are your updates. So when you're logged in and you see over here in this little icon with a number, click on it. And then you scroll down, you select all plugins and you press over here, update plugins. You don't want to be vulnerable for hackers, so please do your updates. To change your menu items, go over here to Appearance and then we go to Menus. Make sure to select the right menu over here. Depends on how many menus you have on your website, and press on Select. Then you can just drag and drop things around over here. If you want to add new pages, it's also really easy. On the left side, you can see Add Menu Items, Pages, View All. You can see all the pages on your website. And let's, for example, add in About Us and the Contact Us page. We scroll down a little bit and we press over here, Add to Menu. If you want to create a new drop-down item, just select these ones and drag them a little bit to the right. And if you want to add a parent page that has no link or no existing page, you can just close this one, go over here to Custom Links, click on it. For the URL, just use / for now, and let's create a link text of the parent item called blog. Then we press over here, Add to Menu. Now I want to add in some posts, so I go to Posts, select them all and press Add to Menu. Then I'm going to place them inside of the parent blog. There we are. And if I don't want this link to be clickable, just click on over here and remove the URL so that you have nothing in here, and press Save Menu. To manage your pages, we go over here to Pages, All Pages. On the top, we can see all pages, only the pages you created, or all the pages that are published on your website. If you click on them, you will go to Edit. You can also use Quick Edit to change quickly some things. You can also trash it, view it, or in my case, edit it with Elementor. And of course, over here, you can add a page. If you're missing some pages, don't worry. It is because you have more than 20 items. And on the right side over there, you can change it to page number 2. Or if you're like me and you just want to see all your pages in one go, click over here on Screen Options and change the number of items per page to maybe 100 pages. Press Apply. And now we have one list of all our pages. Of course, you can also do this with posts over here, which are basically your blog posts, or also with products if you have an e-commerce website. If your dashboard looks a bit like this and it's not usable, time to clean it up. Go over here, click on Screen Options and just deselect everything that you're never going to use. And then also you can just drag and drop the things that you do want to see. By the way, if you've come this far in this video, please do me a favor, hit that like button on this video and also subscribe to my channel, because these statistics make me a little bit worried. To manage all your comments on your website, you can click over here on this comment section. Here you will find all of the comments. You can unapprove them, you can put them in a spam folder, trash them, edit them, reply them, everything you want. If you want to delete more of them, just select all of them and go over here and press Move to Trash or whatever you want to do. By the way, if you're dealing with a lot of spam, let Aximet do that for you. Over here is a tutorial and I'll show you exactly how to set it up. To add new pictures to your website, you have to first upload them to your media library. Click over here on Media, go to your library. Here you will see all the images, videos and documents you've uploaded to your website. If you're missing a few, don't worry, click over here on Load More and you can see all the media that you've ever uploaded. To upload new media to your website, scroll all the way up and click over here on Add Media File, or just drag and drop it to your media library. It also works. It will not appear automatically on your pages. To do that, you have to edit your page. Sometimes you just need to give someone else access to your WordPress website. To do that, you go over here to Users, All Users. If you have an e-commerce website or you have multiple users, you will see an entire list. If you want to change this, you can quickly go over here to all administrators, all subscribers, all customers, and maybe some editors. If it's just you, then you might see this. If you want to add a new person, click over here to add user. Fill all this information in, select the right role he has to have, and press over here on add user. Now trust me, you don't want to give everybody the administrator privileges because basically they can kick you out of your own website. Better is to give them the editor role. If you want to change the language of the interface of WordPress, you can go over here to Users, Profile. Then you go immediately to your own profile. Here we can change the language of just the backend of WordPress. Now remember, this will not change the language your website is on. Google will still put your website in the English search engines if you don't change the language in settings. If you want to change the language of your WordPress website, go over here to Settings, then we go to General, and you can change over here to site language. This will tell search engines what your main language is. But if you want to have multiple languages on your website with a language switcher, you will need an extra plugin. Now this piece of software is perfect, it's very easy, and the first language is entirely free. Talking about plugins, if you want to change or extend the functionality of your WordPress website, you can add plugins. To do that, you go over here to Plugins, Installed Plugins. Here you will see a list of the current software running on your WordPress website. Each piece of software has its own manual. Remember, if you start deleting these plugins, then your website might break. You can see per plugin that you can go to the settings, or you can deactivate a plugin, and once it has been deactivated, you can easily delete it. If you want to add more plugins, you go over here, Add Plugin, and you can browse the entire repository of WordPress itself, but you can also search for a plugin over here. For example, one of the most powerful plugins you will ever need is Rank Math. So we search over here, we go to Rank Math. It's a very powerful SEO plugin, and if you follow this tutorial over here, I'll guide you through every single setup step inside of Rank Math. Now there are also plugins you can't see over there. Those are the premium plugins like WP Rocket. They are not free, but they offer some amazing features to boost up your website. If you see this Elementor icon on your website, someone or maybe yourself has built your website with Elementor, which is a very good choice and a very powerful page builder. Follow this next video over there, and I'll give you a crash course on how Elementor works, a refresher just like this to get you started with the basics.